How to install Classen interior door with adjustable jamb, European hardware. Before you begin, Classen door are dedicated for installation in rooms with finished walls and floor, after plastering, wallpapers hanging, tiling, etc. Air humidity in the room cannot exceed 70%. Masking tape should remain on all Classen door elements no longer than 2 hours. Please review also the provided installation manual and gather all required tools. Carefully unpack the adjustable door jamb package and check quality of all elements. Installation of goods with visible damages is not subject to complaints. Measure your rough opening and check according to the rule. Classen jamb is universal, which means that it can be installed for both left and right-hand doors. Define the opening direction and decide which side of the vertical jamb elements should be cut off. Put in the loose casing into jamb. Take out portion of the rubber seal and cut the proper side of jamb using miter saw along the raw material edge. Cut the rubber seal to proper length. Install the provided mounting plates and hinges using provided screws. Spread the wood glue at the corner connection surface and small lamello biscuit. Put the lamello inside element. Assemble jamb elements and connect them with the metal clips. Please make sure that elements line up on all edges. Make sure that the corner is square. Assemble the eccentrical connectors and use them to connect the casing, which is fixed in jamb. Put the assembled jamb into the wall and insert shims between the jamb and wall studs near around each hinge. To avoid twisting of the jamb, note that 2 tapered shims should be joined and alternated in opposite directions. Put additional shims under jamb to lift it about 1/8 of an inch from the floor if you plan to put the sealant after installation. For installation of our jambs, we suggest using dedicated clamping tools, which make leveling of jamb much easier. Check if they are available on your market or contact Classen sales representative for more details. Ensure that the jamb is level and plumb, and check if the clear width between the jamb elements is same at hole height. Take out portion of the rubber seal from the hinge side and drill the pilot hole through jamb and shims to avoid splitting. Drive the wood screw to fix the frame into the wall. Hang the door slab on the hinges. Drill the pilot holes and drive the wood screws. Check the gaps around the door leaf and use the 3-dimensional adjustment on each hinge to make the gaps equal. Check if the lock side of the jamb is flush with door leaf after closing, and if necessary, adjust the position of the jamb on the tapered shims. Fix the lock side of jamb underneath the rubber seal in the same way as the hinge side. Cut the tapered shims if they protrude behind the jamb or wall. Install the European handle in the following steps. Using provided template, drill small pilot holes from both sides of door slab. To avoid dirt and wood chips inside the magnetic lock, remove the lock from the slab. Drill 2 1/4 inch diameter holes through the slab. Put the magnetic lock back into the door slab. Assemble all of the handle elements and connect them using provided screws as presented. Finally, check the operation of doors. If necessary, adjust doors on the hinges and magnetic strike plate using Allen key. To increase the acoustic, thermal, and mechanical properties of the door, we suggest putting the low expansion spray foam sealant between the jamb and wall studs at all edges. Please avoid any contact between foam and surface of door, jamb, and casing. After curing, remove all excessive foam using utility knife. Connect the remaining loose casing parts using the eccentrical connectors and insert it into the jamb. To secure the bottom of the jamb from swelling, Apply the elastomeric sealant along the whole bottom edge of jamb and casings that stay in contact with the floor.